everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Real and Town Philippine Adventure. Today I will give a review about the Brazilian Blowout Lovefusion I bought online. So I just follow the instruction on this one, then just watch for the video so that you will know how I did it. So this one, you need to wash your hair. So this is the hair now. It's already 90% dry. So all we have to do for the second step is to apply the Brazilian Blowout Lovefusion on the hair. You need to section the hair nicely. Just to start at the bottom. Then using the comb to separate or section your hair nicely. So just watch the full video. And make sure that you apply medicine nicely on the hair so that you will get the best effect of this one and the best result. So just watch the full video how I make ours. And note, keep away 1 centimeter away from the end of the hair. So just make sure that 1 cm from the end of your hair. Don't apply because at the end of the process you need to cut those hair to make straight or to trim in the hair. Then comb evenly the hair after you apply the cream and leave this for 30 to 60 minutes. But this, so I let the creamily for 60 minutes on this process. Then after that one, wash the hair nicely with warm water. Don't use shampoo while rinsing the hair. Then make sure this dry this one up to 100% dry. Then you can do the next step.